Hello everyone.
Happy January 31st. Today we celebrate hot chocolate, backward day, and the joy of cozy and quirky fun. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Hot Chocolate Day, a warm and comforting winter drink. A great gift could be a gourmet cocoa set, a festive mug, or a marshmallow sampler. How do you enjoy hot chocolate? Let's sip the comments. It's Backward Day. A playful celebration of doing things in reverse. A thoughtful gift could be a quirky puzzle, a reversible hoodie, or a humor book. What's the funniest backward thing you've tried? Let's flip the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's Inspire Your Heart with Art Day. A celebration of creativity and imagination. A sweet gift could be a painting kit, a museum pass, or a handmade art print. What art inspires you most? Let's paint the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 26th to 28th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.